Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a really quick craft haul video. I have a few items that I purchased from Hobby Lobby, one item from Amazon, and some really gorgeous paper that I picked up on from Frank Garcia. So first, I purchased this tape runner, glue tape runner from Tombow from Amazon because I picked up several packs of the refills when Hobby Lobby was having their huge clearance sale earlier this year, and I realized that I didn't have the original one or the holder for my refills. So I ordered this off of Amazon, so I'm excited to try this glue tape as an alternative to my glitter glue, art glitter glue. So that's that one from Amazon. And I also went to Hobby Lobby yesterday. They had their Christmas items 66% off. And I was able to pick up these really cute Christmas stickers with the hot cocoa and with the marshmallows in the cup. So I thought these would be really great for next year. That I picked up 2 of those. And then I picked up this really cute puffy stickers. And this Santa looks like he's a black Santa. So I picked this one up because I thought it was adorable. He only had one of these, so I was kind of late to the 66% off sale. Picked those up. I picked up these really cute puffy stickers, and it has the little cute deer here, tree, and the sweater, and the red truck, just adorable stickers. So I picked 2 of those up. And then I picked up for my boyfriend these cute pair of socks with the Santa with the sunglasses on. I thought they were really cute. I also picked up, these were just half off, which is great, the slimline envelopes by Paper Studio. You get 25 in each of these, and I had kind of ran through my stash at Christmas time because I made all those slimline cards, so I was glad to see that these were marked down. I also picked up some red little canvas bags that they had. That's what I really went for, but I don't have them right here near me to show you, but you get, I think, 5 canvas bags that were originally $3.99, so 66% off that, so those were an awesome deal. So let me show you my haul from Frank Garcia. I am really digging paper right now. I've always done paper. I don't know what I'm saying right now. So I went over to Frank Garcia just to see what paper he had available. And he had this really pretty Vicky Bouton print. It's by her Storyteller collection. So awesome. The back, it's a really deep, like a sweater look, green, forest green. So I got 2 of those, just 2. And then this print from her Storyteller collection, Vicky Bouton. Isn't that awesome? I just really like this a lot. And then there was a brand called Mente, and I just love this brand. I just went crazy over these papers. They're so pretty. And I think they're out of Poland. And this is from their Suntastic collection. Look at those cut aparts. Aren't they pretty? That's just like a card by itself. Boom. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And then on the back side, he has these really pretty frames you could use. You could stamp on these or layer these. Just really pretty paper. And then this one is from their Day by Day collection by Mente. And look at that, it's so pretty. The planners, if you're a planner girl, a watch clock. Look at this, is just adorable. And my camera isn't really even doing it justice because it's so pretty in person. And this is from the Forever Young collection. Don't those colors just pop? I see some really easy card making coming up in my future. Look at that. This is the Beauty and Bloom collection, kind of Easter. Look at that bunny and those flowers. Isn't that gorgeous? Kind of like a little Roscott. Cute, cute, cute. And this one is called Homemade. And this is really pretty. It's just, I can't tell you how much I love this paper. I'm gonna try not to hoard it. I only got a few sheets. And then this is from the Winterland collection. Just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So that's it from Frank Garcia. Oh no, sorry, I forgot. I got a 6x6 pad of the Suntastic collection, the ones with the ice cream cones. So, and it's 24 double-sided prints. So you get 4 of 12 designs plus 2 bonus on the inside cover. So even the inside cover of the paper pad, you have cutouts. Cut aparts, I guess you could say. And so here's the paper. I mean, this is just so pretty. I love it. Shutters. Look at that. I mean, I can't color a scene that looks like that. Look at that one. And then this one. Look at that. That is really pretty. And then the little baby cut up parts. And I think that's it. Yeah. And then it just repeats. So this is Mente paper, and it's called Suntastic. So that's my haul. Super small. My hauls will be getting less and less because I think I have enough stuff really to enjoy my crafting right now. So I think I have another order coming in from Stamping Up and another one from scrapbook.com. And I think that's going to be it for a while. But you know, that's what we say. That's going to be it for a while. We'll see. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.